Working on building the harness for the stereo, for Toby's new stereo here, for his 99 F-150. Doing it the correct way with the actual adapter here, heat shrinking and soldering it. The part that actually plugs into the truck, part that plugs into the stereo. Gonna be running this Pioneer. It's got the outputs for the amps and everything, so we'll start putting in all the stereo system pretty soon for that truck. Go ahead and stay tuned. Doing the wiring install on Toby's 99 Ford F-150 for the stereo here. Turns out the original one has two connectors back here. You just plug into one, come to find out. Just bend these little tabs here down there. Same thing that's up top there. Into this little adapter piece. And all you gotta do is plug the antenna into here, an actual harness right into here, and you should be good to go. Be all so much fun of replacing cluster lights on a 99 F-150 here. Yeah, you literally have to pull apart 95% of the dashboard on this truck. Whoever came up with this idea,
Ford.
Thank you. Thanks a bunch. Not really. Yeah. There's literally a bolt down there, a couple bolts down there, bolt here.
Don't drop
here,
it. Don't drop a bolt either. It'll drop
here.
into the abyss.
Yeah, for some reason this truck has a lot of spots that go to the abyss.
I'll never find
At
that
least the
EGR.
stereo itself looks really good.
I'll never find that EGR valve gasket ever again.
Probably not. Not until we go to rebuild this motor.
I'll never rebuild it.
Yes, you will. It's a 5.4 liter. By the way, when you actually think you have all the bolts,
You don't.
you don't. They must have put about 7 million bolts in this damn truck just to hold this dashboard together.
There's another one.
And I can tell you right now, this truck's probably going to be like a 90s Ford Mustang and still squeaks and rattles like every other damn Ford pickup I've ever seen with dashboards.
Okay.
Now what? Okay, we'll be back with you.
Jesus.
Alright, so once you actually get the cluster out, we kind of already went past this part, but there's a little cover piece back here. You got to pull these little baby bolts out. I think it's a T10, was it?
Yeah.
T10 little driver, 4X on the back here. This piece right down here just unclips to pull this shift indicator right out. It's real easy. And we just twist the bulbs out, pop the new bulbs in, and you've got actual LEDs. We'll do a review on this once it gets darker and take a picture of it so that we know whether or not it actually looks very good. But for right now, we'll go from there. Alright, so for those of you who don't know yet, Elizabeth got in an accident on my way back from Toby's the other day. Elizabeth is the 99K 1500. Destroyed the entire front end here. Got lower ball joints getting done, upper control arms. Destroyed my brakes as well. Let's see if you can see it. Only thing that's didn't get destroyed was the hub assemblies and the CV axle. So I've got all the tie rods and everything. I hand bolted it from here just because of the fact that this nut here actually is not a replaceable nut. If you actually replace it, they don't have the correct size. So there's that. So we're working on getting her all done. Alright. What's up, guys? We're on day 2 of the project of putting new ball joints and tie rods on the 99K 1500 Elizabeth. Right now, got the new lower Moog ball joint pressed in. New Moog tie rods put on. CV axle's laying there. I did end up having to take it off of the hub assembly, unfortunately. And of course it did not go without some damage to some tools. A couple of the Harbor Freight breaker bars ended up snapping off. Good thing I had a couple on hand. So next I just gotta pop out the little, let's see, you can see there, we gotta pop out the knockouts for the alignment process, and we'll have that done. And I'll have the new brake pads I ended up going with. Performance friction ones now. See if they hold up a little better than the O'Reilly Brake Best ceramics, because they seem to not like my drilled and slotted rotors. So as soon as we get a little farther, we'll keep you updated. All right. All right, just got my Rockford Fosgate 200 max 100 watt normal 4 ohm speakers. They're 6.5 inch. Still got plenty of room back there to clear the window, which is quite nice. So I didn't actually need the spacers that I thought I ended up needing. Should put out quite a bit more. So go ahead and stay tuned. Before you know it, I'll have a video of what it can do. All right.